Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, welcome to English interview as the last target in English class in 9th grade exactly. Yeah. So please tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Rasya Akbar. You can call me Rasya, and I'm from the new class. And especially if I in 10th grade, I have a little brother to continue in IDN.
Okay, so how old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
14 years old. Okay. Rasya, please tell me about your IT skill before coming to IDN.
Okay, before coming to IDN, I didn't have IT skill. Before in my daily activities, I just use handphone for my activities.
Okay, so you just know the phone only.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe I use laptop just for watching movies and others.
Oh, okay. And now, what is your ability during learning at IDN? Because you have been here almost 3 years, right? So it's absolutely you have been learning all the materials, such as IT English engineer. Please tell me about yourself,
Okay,
the ability exactly.
The first is English, maybe before I joined to IDN. I ever joining to course in Yama, and in Yama I learning about English, and maybe in Yama I just joining 1 years, and for Dinia before I join to IDN, my Dinia is bad and IT too.
Okay. So, what kind of game have you created?
In 7th grade, I made 7 games, starting from catching fruit until the last game is Bomber Cat. And in second semester, I made 5 games, in build blocks, starting from Dino game until crossing group.
Okay. Which one is the best from scratch and build box game that you have created?
In scratch, maybe there is Fruit Ninja. In Fruit Ninja, because in Fruit Ninja is different game. Because the Fruit Ninja using camera in that game.
Oh, okay. Fruit Ninja using camera.
Yes.
So like sensing. Okay. And then, do you create a website?
Yes, website. I make 3 website in 7th grade. The first website I make is personal website, and the second website is school website, and the last website is mosque website.
Okay. Which one is the best? And you still maintain until now? For the
Personal
website.
website, because personal website for upload all my project.
Okay. And then, do you like designing? Do you like designing?
Yes, alright.
What kind of design have you created?
Maybe poster dakwah misalnya. In poster dakwah easy to make that because there is many reference in maybe Pinterest, Instagram, and others.
Okay. And then, do you make like UI UX design?
Yes, I ever make that UI UX I make with the team, not personal, and I make the UI UX about Muslim app. I make with Desta, Ajam, and Rosal.
Okay. So, what kind of application have you created?
Maybe calculation app. Because in calculation app have many screen, maybe 7 screen, and for the customized that I can customize starting from background, the icon, and maybe the button, the color of button.
Okay. So actually, the totals of the project of applications, how many?
5 projects.
Could you mention them?
Huh?
Could you mention them? The 5 projects.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you tell me about 5 projects?
The first project is name card. The second project is radio online. The third project is talk to me. The fifth project is Find My Edge. The fourth project is Find My Edge, and the last project is Calculation app.
Okay. What kind of IoT project have you created?
IT project. I made many projects, and the best one is maybe line follower. Yes, the best project because that's we using the car from the name of the car is Tinibit, and we use that. Before we use that, before we connect to the Tinibit, we must connect the log from MacOS to the microbit, and if done connect to microbit, we connect to Tinibit, and the Tinibit can follow the line.
Okay. So, do you ever become the trainer?
Yes, I'm in the first is in Gria Sunnah. Gria Sunnah I teaching in there 5 times. In Al Ansar 1 times, and outside not in IDN I teaching in Asyafi MTS Yasmin,
Okay.
and SMK Pusri. The last is Arido, SMK Arido
Where is it? Arido.
in Palembang, sir.
Oh, Palembang.
Yes.
In Desta's house.
Yes, I stay in this house.
Okay. So, when did you go to Palembang? In 8th grade or 7th grade?
In 8th grade.
Okay. And then, what is your opinion about IDN boarding school?
IDN is different school from other school because in IDN just have three materials starting from IT, Dinia, and English. And at IDN we must speak English in daily activities. We must speak English. If we speak Bahasa, can get punishment from Mr. Huda, Mr. Hakim, and others. And there is many intel in every place.
Spy.
Yes, spy. Can write your name if you speak Bahasa.
Okay. Just write the name for the offenders.
Yes.
Okay, Rasha, what is the most interesting experience during learning at IDN? The best experience, maybe.
Maybe Edures. Edures.
Okay, what is Eduris?
Edures is adventure, yes, adventure with the team. And my team, if I Edures, okay, when I Edures, my team is Rizky, and then Jaki, Malik, and then Hafuza, and maybe just that. And in Edures, we go to every place with bus, and before we go with bus, Mr. Huda give the card. In the card have saldo, the saldo from the parents transfer to Mr. Huda, and Mr. Huda top up that card. Okay.
Okay, talking about the next future, I mean like the next school, where do you want to continue your study?
In SNK, maybe I continue at IDN.
What major you want to take?
Maybe the cafe, sir.
The cafe. Why you want to take that major?
Because I want to have a good design.
You like designing?
Yes.
Because you want to take the major of the cafe, what is your future and why?
My future.
Mm-mm.
Maybe I want to be a designer, visual merchandise, making a t-shirt, making a brand. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, two last questions. So how to achieve your dream in the future? Because you wanna become designer of merchandise and others, right? Yeah. So how to achieve that?
Learn about design, and always learn if have free time at IDN or in home.
Okay. So the next is the last question. Yeah. Any word for IDN boarding school?
IDN is good. IDN is good, and yes.
Only that?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Rasha. So it has passed for the interview. After this, you go to the next section, yeah, to give presentation about the projects start from 7 to 9 grade, yeah, and also about the country that you want to visit in the future. Okay, that's all from me. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alhamdulillah, nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina, may yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Okay, firstly, let's thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. We will give thanks for His mercies and blessing until we can attend and gather in His best with any troubles and obstacles. And secondly, my son and salam, I will be given to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has bring us from the darkness era to the darkness era, and he is okay. So today I want to present or show to you about all of my project from 7th grade until 9th grade. But I just entered the best project to this grade. Okay. The first is there is a book of content. In 7th grade, I then learned about Sketch, WordPress, and Webbox. And in 8th grade, I then learned about IoT and multimedia. And the last is 9th grade, I then learned about application. Okay. Before I continue, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Rasya Akbar. You can call me Rasya, and I'm from 90 class. Okay. In 7th grade, I then learned about Sketch. Okay. The first I want to explain to you the meaning of Sketch. Okay, Sketch is a visual programming language for learning information that all beginners, whether student, teacher, student, or parents, to learn to program without having to think about writing statements. The service was developed by Media Lab and has been translated into more than 60 languages, including Indonesian. Okay. My best project in Sketch. That is Catching Fruit, Fruit Ninja, and the Defender. Okay, the first project that I learned that is Catching Fruit. In this game, have three characters or three sprites. Starting from Bowl, Apple, and Ladybug. In this game, Bowl to be player, Apple to be point, and Ladybug to be enemy. How to play this game? You just move the ball to right and left position. Use your Rocky keyboard in your method. Okay. The next is that is Fruit Ninja. This is my special game because in this game we use extension. The extension is camera. In this game, how to play this game? You just select the apple, banana, the apple and banana. But you don't select the bone, because if you select the bone, you can get over. Okay, this is the defender. The defender game. The defender is game tank. Game tank. Attack the enemy. In this game, I have enemy. I have a boss. The boss this way to be the boss in this game. Okay. And my second project that is WordPress. Okay. Before I continue, I want to explain to you about WordPress. Okay. WordPress is an open source application that is very popular used as a blog engine. WordPress is built with PHP programming language and MySQL database. As a CMS, WordPress can help you create and manage website without coding. You can customize the appearance and features and create content on the website easily. WordPress is a platform that can be used to create all types of website. Okay, this is my best project in WordPress. That is personal website, school website, and the last is no school website. Okay, the first is there is personal website. Personal website is in this website. I upload my project that I done to WordPress, and in this website that is all of my project from 7th grade until 9th grade. Okay, and this is the school website. This is my recorder video because I don't find the website from my school website. And the second and the third is Moscow website. This is same my recorder video. I don't find to the website from my Moscow website. Okay. The third I want to explain to you about Buildbox. Buildbox is a coding development platform that focus on creating gamers without programming, coding or scripting. This is software allows users to create simple games with an interface that is easy to understand. Buildbox was founded in August 2014 and claims that users can create a games in just a matter of course. And there is my best project in Buildbox. There is Dino game, is 2D game, and there is running ball, and the last is switching ball. Okay, continue. The first is there is Dino game. In Dino game, you get a reference view from Dino game in the Ubuntu. I very hard to make this because I find many bugs from this game and get fixed for my teacher, and I success to make this game. And the second is there is running ball. The running ball game is easy game to make this, and if I done making this, I can customize this game, and the theme of my running ball game is adventure, and I add the fail effect in my player, and how to play this game is easy. You can move the ball, the ball, and don't get the enemy in this game. And the last is there is switching ball. This is my third project that I make in Buildbox. And this game I customize use Galaxy Fans. I add the planet of this game, and my grade. Okay, that is Internet of Things. Okay, the meaning of IoT is the Internet of Things is a concept that connects a physical object to the internet. These objects are implemented with technology such as sensor and software that can communicate, control, connect, and exchange data over the network. IoT is a global network infrastructure that connects physical and virtual objects. IoT was invented by Kevin Ashton in 1009 and 994. Okay, and this is my best from my IT project. There is Kalide and Mecon. Okay, this is my software that I learned in IoT. Okay, the first is there is plan forward. More easy to make this oboe. You just copy the code of this oboe robot, and the robot can uh, follow the line, and this robot have icon. Okay, and the second there is fraud detection. In fraud detection, we can detect the level and gempa of water, and that is icon 2 in this project. Then the second is there is KBID projects. In KBID, this is my last project that I make, is with station with Blink. Okay, and that is multimedia. Okay, this is my best project in multimedia. That is UI/UX team project with Figma. That is food with Figma. That is photo manipulation with Figma. And the last is there is video dakwah with Figma. Okay. The first is that is UI/UX team project and Firefox. This is UI/UX Muslim app. I make this with the team. My team is Ajam, Rosan, and Desta. Okay, I make with the 10 Muslim app. Okay, and that is Firefox. I make orange juice fire, and in this fire I add many assets like orange and leaf. Okay. The second that is photo manipulation with Photopea and video dakwah with Figma. Video dakwah with Gipiro. This is manipulation. I make this with Photopea and I get reference from YouTube and Google. I take the asset, the camera I take from Unsplash, and the rail of train, and the bits I take from Google. And there is an animation video. I make this with Film. I take Ustadz Firanda voice to make this, and in my grade project. In grade project I learned to software, but I just entered the modular because the address bio not done. I learned how to do it. Okay. The meaning of Modular. Modular is a web-based platform that provides tools from building and web application without the need for coding. It offers visual interface with drag and drop components and a block-based programming system with Modular. Users can create apps by simply joining blocks together without having to write code manually. This is my popular app in Modular. That is Memcard. There is Tap Talk to Me, and the last is there is Profession. Okay. The first is there is Memcard project. This is very easy to make this. You just copy the text and give a space to this application, and you just add the image, the social media image for Google, Iconify, and many. and many websites you can take from there. Okay. The second is there is Talk Me. This is very easy too because in this application that is code to make this, but just little bit code. I then customize this application with black and white themes. Okay. And the last is there is location application. This in this application many code in calculator until traps there is code, and I then customize this application too green traps. Okay, maybe that's all for me. If I have one more is for me. Okay, Mr. Rizky, you have
Okay.
So my question is, can you show me about your best project?
yes, please.
Okay.
Right, right. This one.
Oh
This
yeah.
one.
Okay. So can you explain about it? What's that?
First, this is very amazing. This is my first time to make a film.
So what kind of application that you use for designing this?
Figma, sir.
Figma.
Yes.
Okay. So how long is it? Individual project or team project?
What?
Is it individual project, personal project or team project?
Oh, personal project.
What about the asset? You might go
That's it.
answer.
I take from Google and I remove background.
Mm-hmm.
This is the lemon and orange and ice satu for Google.
Okay. What about UI UX Muslim app?
Oh, this is the project.
Team project.
Yes.
Okay. What is it about UI UX Muslim app?
For app,
Yeah, like what?
like in this application can read new news from Islamic news and can play Monopoly.
Okay. Okay. You can close it.
Okay, maybe that's all for me. If I have one more, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys. So today I want to presentation to you about Malaysia holiday. Okay. The first is there is table of content. The first is there is geography, capital, government, population, language, religion, economy, tourism, currency, and the last is there is transportation. Okay, the first there is geography. Malaysia is situation of the Malay Peninsula and the Island of Borneo. It shares land borders with Thailand, Indonesia, and Brunei, and has maritime borders with Vietnam and the Philippines. The second that is capital. The capital city of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur, which is also the largest city in the country. Okay. Government. Malaysia is a multinational monarchy with a parliamentary system of government. The person above or king is the head of state, and the prime minister is the head of government. And next there is population. Malaysia has a diverse population consisting of various ethnic groups. The three largest ethnic groups are Malays, Chinese, and Indians.
This diversity contributes to a rich cultural tapestry. Okay, the next is language and religions from Malaysia. Bahasa Malaysia, also known as Malay, is the official language. English is widely used in business and administration, and there are also various regional language and dialect spoken. And religion, Islam is the official religion of Malaysia. And the majority of population practice Sunni Islam. However, there is also a significant percent of others religions, including Christianity, Hinduism, and Buddhism. Okay, and the next that is economy from Malaysia. Malaysia has a well-developed and diversified economy. It is known for its export of natural resources such as palm oil, rubber, timber. The country has also made significant strides in industrialization and technology. Okay, the next is there is currency and transportation from Malaysia. The currency of Malaysia is the Malaysian ringgit, or MER. Transportation, Malaysia has a well-developed transportation infrastructure, including modern highways, railways, and airports. Kuala Lumpur International Airport (KLIA) is a major hub in the region. Okay, before I close this, I want to give a conclusion of my presentation. The Malaysia language is a backbone from we country is Indonesia, and this country is ASEAN's country. Okay. Maybe that's all for me. If I have one, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.